Ever been on a flight so wild that it felt like you were riding a roller coaster with a chorus of crying babies? What if I told you that your next flight could be smoother and even cheaper than your last roller coaster ride? Stick around because I'm about to drop some secret travel hacks that the airlines hope you never find out. Let's dive in with one of the sneakiest hacks. Did you know that at most check-in counters your personal bag isn't even weighed? Yep, while they're busy measuring your carry-on, you can cleverly stash that extra weight in your personal backpack. Think of it like an optical illusion for the scale. Ta-da! Extra cash saved! Now I'm not saying to stuff your backpack like a Thanksgiving turkey and pray it doesn't explode at security. Be smart about it. Maybe it's that extra pair of shoes, your laptop, or even your travel pillow. Whatever you can comfortably carry without throwing your back out. The key here is subtlety. Don't make it obvious. Act natural, like you're just adjusting your incredibly stylish and practical backpack. The less attention you draw, the smoother this hack goes. Trust me, I've smuggled enough snacks onto planes to feed a small village using this trick. But remember, every airline has its own rules. So before you go full-on travel ninja, double-check those baggage restrictions. You don't want to get caught with your pants down, or in this case, your overstuffed backpack. Now let's talk turbulence. You know when the plane starts rocking like a seesaw and suddenly it's a baby chorus concert? Yeah, not my idea of a good time either, but don't worry, I got you. Pro tip, snag a seat near the wings. Planes are built to rock less in the middle so you can avoid making a cameo in a mid-air dance-off. Think of it like this, the wings are like the strong, silent type of the plane. They got your back, or rather, your butt, when things get bumpy. And when you've got a connecting flight, here's a power move. When you check in, ask, nicely, if they can nudge your seat forward. Think of it as calling shotgun, so you can be among the first to board. Avoid the mad scramble, and claim your coveted overhead bin space. Nobody wants to play Tetris with their luggage after a long flight. Trust me, this one simple trick can make all the difference between arriving at your destination feeling like $1,000,000 or a crumpled up boarding pass. Let's talk about food, glorious food. Specifically, what to eat and avoid at the airport to conquer that dreaded jet belly. You know that bloated feeling from cabin pressure acting like a balloon animal on your stomach? Yeah, we've all been there. First things first, ditch the carbonated drinks. They're basically just asking for trouble. Instead, opt for that high-protein, low-salt meal. Think grilled chicken, a salad, or even a hearty sandwich on whole wheat bread. Trust me, your digestive system will send you a thank you note later. And here's a kicker: boarding last might seem like a chill option. Skip the line, right? But after years of trial and error, and trust me, there have been errors, we learned the hard way that being among the first on board is the winning strategy. More space for your bag, a less stressful boarding experience, and you get to settle in without feeling like you're performing a public service announcement for personal space. Chapter 4. Booking Bliss. Mastering the flight search game. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite pre-trip activity: booking flights. Gone are the days of spending hours on end, refreshing a million tabs, and ending up more confused than a pigeon in a library. These days, finding cheap flights is as easy as binge-watching your favorite show on Netflix. And no, I'm not talking about some shady website your cousin's friend told you about. I'm talking about Soarfare. Soarfare is like a subscription model for flights, letting you collect points over time and snag amazing deals. It's like having a personal travel agent in your pocket, minus the awkward small talk and the constant fear that you're being upsold on something you don't need. And while you're at it, don't forget to use apps like Seat Guru to pick that perfect seat, window, aisle, or that sweet spot with extra legroom. We all have our preferences, right? And for the love of all that is holy, download your airline's mobile app. This is your lifeline to stay updated on any gate changes, delays, or, dare I say it, free upgrade opportunities. Because let's face it, missing your flight because you were too busy admiring your new Spotify playlist is not on anyone's travel bucket list. Chapter 5. Time Travel 101. Outsmarting Jet Lag. Alright, let's talk about the ultimate travel nemesis, jet lag. That feeling when your body is telling you it's time for bed but your brain is stuck on a different time zone, replaying that catchy song from the airport lounge. Yeah, not a good look, but fear not, my weary traveler, because I have a secret weapon, a pre-boarding ritual that'll have you conquering time zones like a pro. Here's the game plan. Before you even step foot on that plane, start adjusting to your destination's time zone. change into your cozy travel gear, brush your teeth, and, I know this sounds weird, sync your watch to your destination's time zone. Seriously, it's like a Jedi mind trick for your brain. This little ritual sends a powerful message to your internal clock, letting it know that it's time to get with the program. And trust me, your body will thank you for it later when you're not stumbling around your hotel room like a zombie. Remember, preparation is key, so channel your inner travel ninja, master these pre-boarding moves, and watch as jet lag trembles before your very eyes. Chapter 6. The left lane advantage: navigating airport lines like a boss. We've all been there, stuck in an endless airport security line that seems to stretch longer than a cross-country flight. The clock is ticking, your flight is boarding, and you're pretty sure you just saw someone cut in line with a pet llama. But fear not, my fellow traveler, because I'm about to drop some serious line-cutting wisdom. And no, I'm not talking about bribing TSA agents with your grandma's famous cookies, although that might work too. Here's the secret: when you hit immigration or security, always, and I mean always, turn left. You see, most people are right-handed creatures of habit. They naturally gravitate towards the right. But not us, my friend. We're rebels. We're pioneers. We're left lane champions. Think of it like this: the left lane is like a secret fast lane, a hidden menu at your favorite burger joint. Fewer people, faster service, and a whole lot less stress. It's like discovering a shortcut in a video game, a cheat code for life. So next time you're at the airport, remember my words. Embrace the left, channel your inner contrarian, and watch as you glide past those right lane suckers, straight to your gate and on your way to adventure. Chapter 7. Level up your travels. Let's wrap it up with the top 3 hacks you absolutely need in your travel arsenal. 1. Pack smart by using your personal bag to dodge extra weight charges. 2. Secure those wing seats and board early to dodge turbulence and luggage chaos. 3. Synchronize your devices to your destination's time zone and tame that jet lag before it does. Thanks for flying through these travel hacks with me today. If you want more insider tips and hilarious travel fails turned into lessons, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Share this video with your fellow travelers, and as always, safe travels.